Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to check serial number in our vivo phone. Guys, you want to check your phone serial number, so guys you can check. And guys, now let's see how to check phone serial number in our vivo phone. In this video guys, I will show you. So friend, first of all open your phone setting to check serial number. Then guys scroll it and guys click on about phone. It's about phone guys, so guys we will click here, scroll it friends, and guys software information, click here, and guys third guys you can see this serial number in your vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to check serial number in vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video and subscribe my channel. And friends, do you have any doubt in your vivo phone, so as you can ask me in comment section, I will help you. Bye friends, thanks for watching.